In today's video, I am going to teach you how to maximize the Google Analytics landing page report. Start by opening Google Analytics and going to your home view. From the left-hand navigation, click Reports. This is where the standard GA4 reporting lives. Next, open the Engagement section and then select Landing Page. You are now looking at the landing page report, which focuses on the first page people see when they start a session. This report is most useful when you treat it as an entry point performance dashboard, not just a traffic list. Once you are on the landing page report, take a moment to focus your view. In the table, click to highlight a landing page row you want to analyze. Highlighting a row helps you concentrate on one entry point at a time, which is important because performance can look very different from page to page. With that landing page selected, click View Key Drivers. This opens a deeper analysis experience that helps you understand what is influencing performance for that specific landing page. Keep your date range in mind as you review the results, since short time windows can exaggerate spikes and dips. Next, click Conversions. Event Name. This shifts the view toward conversion activity tied to events, so you can move beyond simple sessions and start evaluating outcomes. You will be able to see which conversion events are happening and how they relate back to your landing page selection. If you have multiple conversion events, pay attention to the ones that represent real business value, not just light engagement. Then click Key Events over time. This view is useful for spotting patterns, like whether conversions are steady, trending up, or tied to a specific campaign period. When you notice sudden changes, it often signals an issue with traffic quality, a page change, or a tracking change. Finally, click Key Events and Event Revenue by event name. This brings conversions and revenue context together, so you can see not only which events are occurring. This is especially helpful when you need to prioritize landing page improvements based on impact, not volume. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.